See now, if I say site facebook.com, it generate me closer to 1 million. Here it's 1 million, 1 billion results. Closer to 1 billion results. A very large amount. If you search, okay, let's say ardhaderana.lk, it's only 613,000 results. ardhaderana.lk. Let's search our one. So it's very poor one, right? Small one, just started. gicts.lk. You will see very few pages, only 11 pages, right? Only 11 pages. Right, okay, then let's search something like DOENETS, Department of Education website. You can see 1,560 results. Likewise, in any website, you can search all the public pages this way. All the public pages can be searched this way in a search engine. Okay, so that is a tip of the day. So you can, next time when you want to search something in a website, you can use this tip. For an example, if you want to find donates.lk, if you want to find PDF from this, you can say file type TYPE, file type PDF. Then you will only get PDFs, right? Then you will only get PDFs from the particular website. PDFs only, right? So when you click that, you can see it's a PDF. It's loading a portable document format. Some statistics about the examination. How many participants at exams, likewise, it's some statistics. Okay, likewise. Okay, if you want to find documents from, let's say you want to find documents from a website, or you want to find video from website, likewise, you can give the file type and domain and search, narrow down the search. Okay, now the next thing. So what is this domain name? So I'll give few examples. So this is these are called domain name. There are several domain names. So subdomains are actually here. Google.com is the domain. Mainly subdomain of, I'm going to highlight this in another color. Let's highlight in blue color. Maps is subdomain of Google.com. Docs is subdomain of Google.com. Nadun is subdomain of milestyle.in. Subdomains are actually domains. It's sub of the particular domain. So if you have, so I'll teach you how to get a subdomain for free. So domains you have to pay, right? Domain you have to pay, right? How to buy domain? So let's say I think I'll skip that one. Okay. So basically, okay, please write another subheading. So today is a writing day. ICANN is called Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. ICANN maintains domain registry with public IP addresses. With public IP addresses. If we need to buy a domain, normally we don't buy from ICANN. It's like the factory. Instead of that, we purchase domains from domain name resellers and they are paying a fee to ICANN. They are paying a fee to ICANN. Some domain name resellers are GoDaddy.com, iPower.com, Namecheap. There's another person who Namecheap. Namecheap.com. These people are called domain name resellers. It's like, so we are not going to a tea factory to buy tea normally. Instead of that, we buy from the local resellers. Similar to that, the domain names, we are not going to buy from ICANN, even though they are the people who maintain that. ඒගොල්ලෝ තමයි ඒවා maintain කරන්නේ registry, but we are not going to buy from them. Instead of that, we buy it from resellers. Country related or country specific domains can be purchased from the country's domain registry. LK domain registry is handled by University of Moratuwa. LK domain registry is handled by UOM, University of Moratuwa. If you want to buy LK domain, you have to go LK domain registry. So let's see. Let's see the availability of the domain, and let's see how to buy a domain now. So please write down the note, right? ICANN, then the subdomain, then the top level domain, everything you have to write. So today is an odd day. Right, I think you all have finished because some people replied that they have done. I assume others also done. Right, ICANN is the factory, as I said. So you have like small shops like GoDaddy.com, iPower, Namecheap. There are many, right? So if you want to buy a domain under your name, so what you have to do is you have to go to particular site. Let's go to GoDaddy.com. And after going to the particular site, if you need a domain, okay, let's say you need to buy a domain. Let's say, okay, I'm going to take right. So Malshika, if Malshika wish to buy a domain. So if you want to buy malshika.com, you can go and search that whether it's available. Because if it is currently taken, you can't buy that. Then you have to forget. So let's say malshika.com and search in. After that, it's saying, yes, domain is available. You are lucky. So this is like a result. So like if you search 100 domains, this is like one chance. So malshika.com is available, so you can buy it. See, it's only $11.99 per the first year. The second year cost will be $18, closer to $18. And you can also add malshika.in to this. malshika.in කියන එකත් ඕනනම් ගන්න පුළුවන්. දෙකම ගත්තත් ඔයාට යන්නේ $15ක් වගේ. That means 3,000 rupees per year. අවුරුද්දකට 3,000 ගානේ වගේ යනවා. ඒක ගෙවාගෙන යන්න ඕනේ ඉස්සරහට ඕන කාලයක් වාට ගෙවන්න පුළුවන්. And okay, let's say you want to buy a domain, someone else want to buy a domain, let's say Praveen want to buy a domain, and Praveen can let's say Akash want to buy a domain, let's say akash.com. You can just search akash.com. Yes, akash.com is already taken. You can purchase from by paying the broker fee. When it is already purchased by someone, so maybe they wish to sell. So this person wish to sell this, but it's $119 is costly, like 20,000 rupees you have to pay. But akash.bet you can get. Oh, akash.today it's only $1, $2, 400 rupees. But later you have to pay $27, means 500 rupees, 5,000 rupees per year. But for first year only 200 or 400 rupees you can buy it. Akash.shop available. Akash.blog, oh, it's premium. Right? It's premium. Akash.blog already taken. Akash.cafe. Cafe only $42. Right? Akash.website. Promotional price only 99.99. 0.99 means only 200 rupees. 200 rupees. You can buy this for 200 Akash.website, but only for the first year. Next year you have to pay a big amount. Akash.co. It's costly. Right? Some domains are costly, some are cheap. Akash.fund. So likewise, Akash.agency, Akash.global. Right? So likewise, there are domains. Here, some websites you can see the prices. Geeta.com, Aditya.com. So suggesting some, right? Those are premium prices. Rajesh.com. You can see the price. This is called cyber squatting. Cyber squatting means people are buying domains earlier. Okay, let's say, so a company is getting famous. When a company is getting famous, people try to buy the domain earlier and they keep hold and later try to sell that domain to the company. That is called cyber squatting. So I'm going to show you a small example, but this is not cyber squatting. Nissan. What is Nissan? Nissan කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Yes, it is automobile manufacturer. Nissan is a car company, automobile manufacturer, motor company, right? So let me show one thing. Nissan.com. Here, Nissan.com. Nissan.com, they have indicated that this is not Nissan. This is not Nissan. Nissan Motors lawsuit against us. It can happen to you or someone you know. So Nissan Motors against this. This Nissan.com is not belongs to Nissan company. That is the wonder. But make a naduwukuත් යනවා. මේ Nissan.com ඒගොල්ලෝ ඉල්ලලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒ හින්දා ඒගොල්ලෝ naduwuකුත් දාලා තියෙනවා. But the thing is that this Nissan.com, he's not going to give this Nissan.com. So because එහෙම නඩු දැම්ම කියලා දෙන්න බෑ. මේ අයිතිකාරයාගේ නම Nissan. Right? So then that is the legal point that he's telling. His name is Nissan. So how come a company? So even the company has that name, how can I give the company name? Because it's me. So this Nissan.com is not Nissan. So this is not Nissan, right? So that is the thing. And this is Nissan Computer. Wonderful, no? It's right. Nissan Computer Corporation. So that is accidental thing, right? This is not cyber squatting. But some people purposely do this. හිතලම කරනවා සමහර කට්ටිය. හිතන ආකාශ කියලා බිස්නස් එකක් නැගලා යනවා කියලා. එතකොට ආකාශකේ තියෙන ඔක්කොම ඩොමේන් ටික අරන් දාන්න. ඊළඟ ඔයා ගිහිල්ලා බලද්දි ඩොමේන් එකක් ගන්න ඒව නැහැ. ඒව අරගෙන. Okay, this is how you purchase a domain. When you go and you can purchase a domain. Okay, if you want to get a free domain, සල්ලි දෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. free domain එකක් ගන්න ඕනේ. එහෙමත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම ගන්න ක්‍රමයකුත් කියලා දෙන්න. You can go to zerofees.net, this website. I'm sending you the URL. ඔයාලා දැන් හදාගත්තත් කමන්නේ. දැන් පුළුවන් නම් දැන් හරි හදාගන්න. I'm sending you the URL. URL එක මම එව්වා. එතකොට ඔය zerofees.us එකට ගියාම you can see there. You can see sign up. And you can go to the sign up. Sign up, you can go to the sign up, fill your username. For an example, okay, let's say I need one. I'm going to fill Dasun Nilanjana, and I'm going to give a password and email address. Let's give my email address and my Gmail. I'm going to use this personal purpose and English, and my security code is C. Same code I have to type B19 and then register. That's all. When you register, they will send this to your email. Account details will be sent to your Gmail. Wagi email eකට account details එනවා. Typically, account details will come to the spam folder. Email එකේ spam එකට තමයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් එන්නේ account details. Email එකේ spam කියලා folder එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ spam folder එකට තමයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් එන්නේ. That is normal scenario, right? Normal case, you can let me show. This will come to the spam in folder. More wala spam කියන folder එකට තමයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් එන්නේ. හරි. බලමු වෙල්ලද කියලා. Lot of spam in mail. Here you can see. මේ වගේ mail එකක් එන්නේ. Action required, activate hosting account කියලා එන්නේ zerooffice.us මේ වගේ mail එකක් එන්නේ. Then what you have to do, you have to click this link. When you click this link, you will get this kind of window and it will show that it's activating your account. After activating, it will send another mail that will also come to your spam. Here, a hosting activation that will also come to your account. දෙවන email එක. ඒකත් එන්නේ වාගේ ඒ account එකටමයි. And it's showing your usernames and passwords. Showing your usernames and passwords. Right? What you have to do after that, you can log into the particular account. What a username, password, this whole entire process is free. After that, you can type the username and password and get login to the account. And when you log into account, you will get this kind of window. මේ වගේ control panel එකක් එනවා. මේකෙන් ඔයාලට මේ free subdomain එකක් දෙනවා මේ තියෙන්නේ. This is a free subdomain. If you need free subdomain, තව free ඕන නම් තව හදන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඔන්න මම තව එකක් හදලා පෙන්නන්න. I'm going to create a free subdomain. Can you see the subdomains? Here, subdomains. I'm going to take a free subdomain. මට ඕන subdomain එකක් හදන්න. akash.fanclub.rocks කියලා. akash.fanclub.rocks කියලා එකක් හදන්න ඕන. I'm creating that. ඒක දැනටමත් තියෙනවලු. Already assigned and in use. ආකාශ්ගේ fan club එක තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් අපි වෙන එකක් ගමු. Okay. Akash loveslife.biz. එකක් තියෙනවද නෑනේ. හරි. මේ තියෙන්නේ. ඔන්න දැන් මම subdomain එකක් හදාගත්තා. This is the subdomain. akash loveslife.biz. තාම ඔක වැඩ නෑ. අපිට ඕන නම් type කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. akash loveslife.biz. Okay, it's empty. Here directory listing, nothing is there. But the advantage is I can put a website. Then may part of me I can put a website. I can create a simple website and put that quickly within just even before 1 minute. I can do this. So here akashloveslife.org and I'm going to do that. I'm going to create a new file and file name is index.html. So don't think much about this, right? I'm just doing quickly to show you the steps. And I'm going to type small web page, and that is my HTML. And here's my code, and I'm going to close the HTML, and I'm going to open the head section, and I'm going to close the head section. Same time, I'm going to open the title section, and my title is let's say Akash is my title. And I'm going to close the title section then, and then I'm going to have the body section. Okay, then the body section, inside that I'm going to have a text called hello Akash. Okay, done it and saved it. Now when you go to the website, you can see that output, hello Akash. Okay, you can also visit the website and see. Now I have taken a website and hosted in a server. ඔය ඔක්කොම ටික කරලා ඉවරයි. වෙබ්සයිට් එකක් අරගෙන සර්වර් එකක host කරලා domain එකක් sub domain එකකුත් දීලා ඒ ටික ඔක්කොම කරලා ඉවරයි. අපි එකින් එක තේරුම් ගමු මේක කරන්න ඕන. කරලා තමයි තේරුම් ගන්න වෙන්නේ. You have to do this. Next day, please watch the video. Create zero fees account. Create a website. If possible, share the subdomain to me. This is free. සත්‍යයක්වත් යන්නේ නැති වැඩක්. This is free. You can create your own website. And if you know a little bit of coding, HTML දන්නවනම්, දන්නේ නැතත් කමන්න අපි මේ පාඩමෙත් ඉගෙන ගන්න. You can color this up. BG color equal. Let's say I'm going to put a color red, green, blue. Now, Akash, in your page, you can see a color. It's this. You can visit the web page and see. And so I need to make it center. To make a center line කරන්න ඕන. I'm going to make it center. පොඩ්ඩක් size එක වැඩි කරන්න ඕන. H2. I'm going to close that and make H2 heading 2 size. ඒ වගේ මට color එකක් දාන්න ඕන. H2. I want to put a color style. Color. Color එක මම දානවා white FFF. Short code. හරි. දැන් සුදු පාට color එකකින් heading එකක් විදියට hello ආකාශ කියලා දෙන්න. hello ආකාශ දෙන්න ඕන. hello ආකාශ කියලා ඔන්න තියෙනවා. දැන් මට පොල්ලක් පල්ලෙන් animate වෙන්න ඕන. Okay, he said that he want to download movies. href equal http://www.google.com question mark u equal in title colon within quotation index of and movies 2018 down or search movies. Okay, I have added a link. Search movies. When you click this, you can just go to the Google and it will give you search string also. Then search in the Google Akash. Then you can find a lot of websites to download movies directly. This is special search string. On my website එකක් හදලා site එකේ link එකක් දාලා මට හදලා දුන්නා. ඒවා search කරගන්න හැටි. ඊට පස්සේ මේ එකකට ගියාම ඔයාට ඔය 2018 movies ඕන තරම් තියෙනවා. ඕනනම් පොඩ්ඩක් උඩට යන්න. උඩට ගිහිල්ලා ආයෙ බලන්න. ඔයාට 2019 ඕනනම් 2019වත් තියෙනවා. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ ඕනනම් ඒවත් තියෙනවා. Likewise, you can just search. මේ links වලට ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න. මට download ඊළඟ දවසේ හැබැයි class එකේ නැතුව ඉන්න එපා data ඉවරයි කියලා. So any number of movies you can download. Hollywood on Hollywood, Bollywood on Bollywood, Collywood on Collywood, 2021 on 21, 2019 on 19, any number you can just go and download, right? So don't come and complain next day I don't have data to come to the class, right? We can just now the website we have just hosted having a special feature. It has a link. So what is the website? You can remember, no? akash.loveslife.biz. That is the website. When you go to the website, there's a link. When you click the link, you will be directed to the Google, and in Google, it is automatically typed for you because I have coded. ඔය ඕන මැජික් එකක් කරන්න පුළුවන් කෝඩින් පොඩ්ඩක් ඉගෙන ගත්තා නම්. මම හැමදාම කියනවා චුට්ටක් කෝඩින් ඉගෙන ගන්න. ඒක වරදින්නේ නැහැ. That is a skill of the decade. Right? In this chapter you will be learning coding. මේ chapter එකේදී ඔයාලා coding ඉගෙන ගන්නවා HTML. So HTML is powerful. You can code websites වල code කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so let's go back to the note. දැන් සද්දයක් නැහැ, film download කරනවත් දැන් computer එකේ. The code to add a link. එක අහනවනේ කවුද code to add links. What is the code to add the link? And I have, there is a href. මම මේක close කරාද? කොහෙද මම මේක දෙන්නේ? මේදී href. Take a screenshot of that. Dasun. Hari.
Thank you, sir.
Go back. Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next, let's go and see. So next we are going to learn about IP address. Please write the heading, and we are going to finish the lesson today with this. Right? Please write the heading: Internet Protocol Address. Internet Protocol Address. Any network connected computer will have an IP address. Any network connected computer will have IP address. Quickly write down because we have only a few minutes. IPv4 address is a 32-bit 4-portion dotted octet binary number, which is represented in decimal number system. This is unique to the network. This is unique to the network. And just show this quickly. So how this IP address has 32 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, another 8, another 8, another 8. 8, 10, altogether 32 bits. The maximum is all ones, minimum is all zeros. If all zeros, decimal value is 0.0.0.0. 32 bit, 4 portion, 4 places, 4 places, separated by dots. And it's a binary number, but represented in decimal. You have to convert binary to decimal. All zeros to decimal is 0. All zeros to decimal is 0. But all ones to decimal, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64 plus 128. Value is 255. So IP address 4, IP version 4 address is between 0 and 255. Any address is a valid IP. So this is valid IP, and this is also valid IP, but this one is invalid because it is out of range. This one is invalid because it is out of range. 242 is invalid because it's out of range. Okay, take a screenshot of this, and today we are going to start from here. Take a screenshot and write down. Then with more practicals, let's see you in next day. Please come with your laptop or computer prepared, then you can also do the practical with me. And I'll let you share your screen too, if you have problems. So we are stepping into the next practical lesson, and it will be more interesting. You can even learn hacking up to some extent, but I'm not going to teach much. because it's risky. Okay. Then see you all in the next day. Good night. Please take a screenshot and write down. Good night. See you all in next week. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Bye.